Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making an easy recipe. It's called King Ranch Chicken Quiche, and here are the ingredients. There's not very many of them. It's going to be eggs, heavy whipping cream, cream of chicken soup, some cheese, and some Rotel tomatoes, and some chopped chicken. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my chicken into my pie crust, and this recipe will be in the description below. And I'll cook this chicken for about 4 minutes on each side until it was no longer pink, and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, so now I'm going to put a half a cup of Rotel tomatoes in it. I'm using the mild version, but if you like yours spicy, you can use hot. Okay, now then I'm going to put about a cup of cheese on it. You can use Velveeta, but I'm just using what I have here at home today, which is sharp cheddar. The recipe said you could use either one. If I had Velveeta, I'd be using it. Okay, so now then I'm going to put in my eggs. This is 4 beaten eggs. And then I'm going to put in my cream of chicken soup next. You can serve this up with any kind of side dishes that you want. Green beans, broccoli. You can just eat it without a side dish if you want to. But whatever your favorite side dishes is. Now I'm putting in my half a cup of heavy whipping cream. So now I'm going to stir this all up. Alright, so I got that mixed together now, so I'm going to pour it over my quiche.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty
think I'm going to pour all of it on here because I don't want it to come out in my oven. So this said it was a deep dish pie crust, but I think it was a small deep dish one.
Through the wrongs and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your
So I'm going to cook this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 50 to 55 minutes, but I'm going to be checking it to make sure that it doesn't get too brown on top. And when it's cooked, I'll be back. Okay, my quiche just came out of the oven and it really smells good, and I bet it's going to taste wonderful, but I'm not going to do the taste test until tonight. My pie needs to cool off anyway a little bit. And also I'm going to do my taste test on my cookie delight that I made earlier today. And I made 2 videos today. So I'll do both taste tests tonight when we cut this one for supper. So see you later. Okay, my quiche has been cooling off now, and so it's ready for the taste test. I'm going to go over here and get my plate. Okay.
Let me get a picture of that before you take a bite.
Okay.
That looks too good. Sit back over and let me get a picture right quick. We'll come back and eat it, okay?
Okay. Okay. Kevin took a picture of my pie, so I'm going to turn it around and get a bite of it. I can't eat it from that direction. Okay. That is very wonderful. This is what it looks like. Okay. Personally, I'm glad I didn't put the spicy Rotel tomatoes in it because this has just got the right amount of heat in it. I think this is going to be a really good dinner for us tonight, and I hope y'all make this pie. You'll really enjoy it, and so y'all do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great evening. Bye.